In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate Elementor Pro licensed WordPress plugin. First, open your WordPress website so you're looking at the dashboard. This is the control center for everything on your site, and it's where we'll add the plugin. Make sure you have the right access to manage plugins. If you can see the plugins menu on the left-hand side, you're good to go. Next, click Plugins in the left sidebar. This takes you to the Plugins page where you can add new tools to extend what your site can do. At the top, select Add New. You'll see a search bar in the upper right. Click into it and type Elementor. Give it a moment to load the results. Look for the official Elementor Website Builder plugin. It's the free core plugin published by the Elementor team, and it's required whether you plan to use the free version or pair it with an Elementor Pro license. Check the name and publisher so you're installing the genuine one. When you've found it, click Install Now. WordPress will download and prepare the plugin in the background. Once you see the button switch, click Activate. After activation, Elementor is added to your site and you'll see a friendly welcome screen or settings link. If you already own an Elementor Pro license, know that the Pro features work on top of the free plugin you just installed. The Pro add-on and license connection happen from within Elementor later, but the foundation is this activation step you've just completed. If you're just exploring, the free version alone is powerful and a great way to learn the interface before you add Pro. Now that Elementor is active, feel free to explore it. A simple way to start is to open any page on your site and click Edit with Elementor. This launches the drag and drop editor where you can add headings, images, buttons, and layout sections. If you're new to page builders, try editing a test page first so you can experiment without affecting important content. In the dashboard, you can also visit Elementor's settings to adjust defaults like colors, fonts, and breakpoints so your designs look consistent. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your plugins updated to maintain security and compatibility. If you're planning to use a premium theme or other plugins alongside Elementor, test changes gradually so everything plays nicely together. And if you decide to upgrade to Pro, remember that it builds on what you've installed today. That's it. You've installed and activated Elementor and you're ready to explore. Take your time, try a few widgets, and enjoy building beautifully designed pages with confidence.